This is why one of the most potent remedies for any autoimmune disease is high levels of vitamin D. Number one, because it gets rid of the inflammation, but number two, what vitamin D does to your T cells in helping put control over the T cells. So they can now differentiate between a normal cell or something else. Because what is an autoimmune disease? It's your own body attacking itself because it can't tell the difference between your cell and something else. Vitamin D regulates that whole process. All right, the next question is related to the scalp. Is there any condition related to the scalp that is related to vitamin D? And the answer is yes. Psoriasis on the scalp or on your skin, that can be a severe vitamin D deficiency. Dandruff is also related to a vitamin D deficiency, as well as almost every dermatitis, because the remedy for all these different types of skin inflammatory diseases is prednisone. What is prednisone? It's a steroid. What does a steroid do? It gets rid of inflammation. Vitamin D is one of the most potent anti-inflammatories, but it doesn't come with all the side effects, if any side effects. Because if you have too much buildup of calcium underneath your scalp around this hair follicle, it's going to starve off the blood flow, the oxygen to that hair, and it's going to die. So you're going to have hair loss. But the question is, how does this relate to vitamin D? Well, there's another little key to this mystery, and that is magnesium is the most potent regulator of calcium. Whether you have calcium building up inside your cell or your mitochondria, magnesium is the regulator of that. If you've watched any of my other videos, I might have talked about vitamin K2 regulating calcium. That's true. But magnesium is the cofactor to allow the enzymes for vitamin K2 to work. So magnesium is at the bottom of a lot of calcification problems. Vitamin D is number one, magnesium is number two. Why? Because magnesium is involved with 300 different enzymes, and there's actually 6 of those enzymes that relate to hair. And so if we don't have the right mineral in the hair, we can't develop the structure of the hair. Another one is just in the energy production of the hair growth. It takes energy to grow hair, and magnesium is at the heart of making energy. All of the energy in your body cannot be created without magnesium. There are 3 different places in the biochemistry of vitamin D where if you don't have magnesium, vitamin D cannot be produced. So that's how it relates. We need magnesium for vitamin D. We also need magnesium to prevent calcification in the scalp. So magnesium is really important, but the question is, why didn't I mention 2 different blood tests to do? Magnesium and vitamin D.